I'm tracking the threat for the second major hurricane to strike Florida in a month. This is what Milton is going to look like on the infrared satellite as it's going to develop that well-defined eye. It's going to move west to east in the Gulf of Mexico. Thunderstorms are firing around the storm on the infrared now. It will get stronger. The official National Hurricane Center track out of Miami, Florida shows at least a major. That's a 3 up to a 5 in the cards for Milton. The storm surge, the wind, and here is a look at the wind. That wind field expanding with the storm. Major impacts once you get a storm this big in the Gulf of Mexico pushing to the east and then making that landfall on Wednesday into Thursday. Here's the earliest arrival time of the wind. Late Tuesday, tropical storm force wind pushing into the Florida Peninsula. Key West, I could see it just a little bit before that. The computer models, and especially the hurricane forecast models that did really well with Helene in the forecast, those show it getting the strongest, and that's where the concern is. The storm will look like this, a well-defined eye pushing east, a major coming in to Florida, the west coast, the Florida Peninsula in the next couple of days. The ship's forecast shows that dry air working in, that wind shear is trying to knock it down in the 11th hour, but by then it could be too late. You get the storm surge out of the head of the storm, the northeast quadrant where you get the wind, storm surge all coming in, and the rainfall on this map showing the storm getting down to around 900 millibars for pressure, extremely strong, and all of that rainfall out of the head of the storm plus the actual storm. So you're going to get a tremendous amount of rain, especially from Tampa, St. Pete up towards Orlando. Watch out for significant life-threatening flooding there along the coast and urban. Here is the track. Consensus puts it over the peninsula in the next few days. Thank you for watching Jason Happy Weather.